How to claim a luggage delay on AirHelp. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can claim a luggage delay on AirHelp. So how do you go about it? The first step is to log into your AirHelp account. Actually, the first step should be that you have done everything needed to claim your luggage on your airline or the airline where you boarded your flight. So ensure you do everything necessary. You fill the missing bag luggage form, you've done everything, and then once you've done all of that, you've tracked your luggage and you've gotten your luggage. Once your luggage arrives, then you can now file a claim for compensation. And how do you file this claim? All you need to do after logging into your AirHelp account is for you to click on Add Claim. So after clicking on the Add Claim option, you'll be taken to the page where you have to start your process. So to complete this process, you have to carry out four major processes, four major aspects, and they include the eligibility check, the additional information, the document session, as well as the finish session. So for eligibility check, you'd have to enter in the airline, all right? You have to check if the airline truly owes you a compensation. And in this case, you're trying to lay a claim for a delay in your luggage, right? So you have to check if the airline owes you compensation or not. So you have to enter in your departure airport as well as your final destination. Then you have to select if you have a connecting flight or not. Then once you've done that, move to the bottom right corner and click on continue. And then you'll be taken to the next stage, which is the additional information stage, where you'll be asked to select your travel date. You'll be asked to fill in some necessary information. Ensure you do that. Another document stage, you'll be asked to enter upload documents such as your boarding pass, your receipts. Ensure you do all of that, and then you would click on the finish icon. And so if your airline really owes you a compensation, you see the option claim compensation, click on that, follow the prompt, and your compensation would be claimed. So it is that simple. But like I said, ensure you've carried out everything necessary with your airline, you've reached out, you've filled any form necessary, and you have your receipts and your boarding pass available. And then once you have all of that, you'll be able to claim your luggage delay easily. So thank you for watching and have a good day.